If you're looking for ways to deal with your Gmail inbox faster and more efficiently than ever, I've got 4 buttons for you. One click each and you'll have less in your inbox, less visual clutter and mental clutter, and your tech will be working for you, not against you. Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer, Google certified trainer, and productivity specialist. I empower business owners with Google solutions. In the comments below, let me know your biggest question or frustration about organizing your Gmail. Many people ask, how do I get the email out of my inbox without deleting it? Or, what's the difference between archive and delete? Think about it this way. Archive, the folder with the down arrow, gets the email out of your inbox and files it in your saved emails, just like you would file a piece of paper in a file drawer. But once you archive it, where do they go? You can find those emails by clicking the All Mail label on the left and scrolling through all of your emails, every single one of them. Or you can use the search bar at the top to search by name, email, text, subject, etc. You can watch my other videos about Gmail search. Delete is trash, meaning if you delete it, it is never going to be seen again. Well, almost. If you delete it, you can get it back for the next 30 days. It is sitting in your trash can. You can just go grab it and drag it back to your inbox if you need it. After 30 days in the trash, it will be deleted automatically. Or you can go in and delete all of the emails in your trash at once. But Snooze is my favorite. Do you need to take action on this email, but not right now? Snooze it and have it come back to the top of your inbox when you need to take care of it. For those of us with ADHD, this is a lifesaver. You can choose the date and time that it comes back to the top of your inbox so that you can RSVP on time, use your coupons before the due date, have all the information you need for an appointment, etc. Snooze is my favorite Gmail one-click tip. The fourth one is add to tasks. It's that little circle with the checkbox and the plus. There are many ways to organize your email and ensure that you take action on certain emails that you need to. Google Tasks is one of them. Google Tasks works as part of the Google ecosystem, and it works in Gmail, Calendar, Docs, and more. If you click the check plus, the email gets added to your Google Tasks list. I like Google Tasks because they can be accessed from your Gmail sidebar, Calendar sidebar, Docs, and a dedicated phone app. To learn more about Google Tasks, watch my other videos. To review, the 4 easiest Gmail one-click tips are: archive to get it out of your inbox but save it, delete it to trash it forever, well, almost forever, snooze it to have it come back to your inbox at a later date and time, and add to tasks to add it to your Google task list so you can take action. Let me know which one of those one-click tips you will use first and how it will help your Gmail workflow. Comment below with your questions about Google Workspace and what you love about it already. Hit that subscribe button to get notified about more Google tips in the future and help us get to our first 1,000 subscribers. Also, these 4 tips are only the beginning. Google has so much more functionality than you know about. I could say, did you know about so many things? If you want to learn more tips like this immediately, download my Google class outlines using the link in the description below and register for one of the classes. I can't wait for you to learn more about Google.